All right, Barry, Benny, we got like 10 minutes till break's over, all right?
Yeah, I wonder what sort of, eye candy's out here for us today.
Yeah, these eyes are thirsty for a feasting, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Ooh, wait, what do we have over here?
Oh, hey, what are you doing out here alone, Northern Cardinal?
Oh boy, the things I do to you.
Wait, what?
Benny, what would you do to the sweet little cardinal?
What do you mean? I'd probably find a little bird bath for it. Make sure it's got a lot of food for its hatchlings and for her, you know? Make sure they don't go hungry.
You crazy fuck, Benny.
Yeah.
Ooh, chihuahuas! Hey, fellas, check out the tail on that thing!
Oh, damn! What are you doing so far from home, Palm Warbler?
Yeah, you're native to the coast of the continental U.S., unless, of course, it's mating season when you're in eastern Canada.
Oh yeah, I'd like to find a little cage and lock you up inside of it.
Benny, what the fuck?
What would you do to that sweet little palm warbler?
What are you talking about? You said it yourself, it's not from around here. It's not gonna survive a Colorado winter. I mean, I'd lock it up in a little cage and ship it off to Florida. She's gonna be so much more comfortable there.
You're a sick fuck, Benny, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, I mean, someone's thirsty for animal rights activism, am I right?
Thirsty boy.
Well, hey, every dog has his day.
Every blue has his
day.
Yeah.
Sweet mother of God.
A red-naped sapsucker. I've never seen anything so beautiful in my life.
That's the kind of bird you take home to mama.
We can move out to the burbs, settle down, have a family. I can build you a little ranch-style birdhouse.
Oh, high-class bird like that would never look at a contractor like me twice. I should have been a technician.
Just to grace us with your elegance in this moment is a blessing in itself.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to say clean up on aisle my pants on account of that bird.
Hey, Betty, now that's just disgusting.
Yeah, there's a line, and you crossed it.
You made me want to vomit. No, look, I did just vomit.
Guys, hello! A bird just shit on my pants, and I gotta clean it up.
Oh, I see that now, Betty.
Yeah.
Let me get that for you.
Yeah.
Sorry, Betty. Hey, I overreacted.
Big time.
Yeah.
Hey, would you guys ever fuck a bird?
Probably, yeah.